Scene script. Ever wondered why that pesky leak just won't stop, even after tightening the pipe connections? Often the culprit is not the pipe or the fitting, but the lack of a simple but crucial tool, the PTFE thread seal tape. PTFE, or polytetrafluoroethylene for the chemistry enthusiasts among us, is a white tape commonly used in plumbing to seal pipe threads. The tape works by forming a seal to prevent leaks in pipework. Now you're about to learn how to use it effectively. First, clean the threads of the pipe with a wire brush. This removes any debris or old sealant which could compromise the new seal. Next, take the PTFE thread seal tape and hold the end of it on the pipe with your thumb, leaving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch hanging off the end. This part of the tape will get tightened into place as you wrap the tape around the pipe. Start wrapping the tape around the pipe in the direction of the threads. This is typically clockwise. The tape should overlap itself by about half its width with each wrap. This ensures a watertight seal. Keep wrapping the tape until you have covered all the threads. For most household pipes, 3 to 5 layers of tape are generally enough. Once you've covered all the threads, cut the tape from the roll. Press the end of the tape into the threads to make sure it's secure. Now screw the pipe fitting onto the pipe. The loose end of tape you left hanging off the end earlier will get tightened into place, forming a leak-proof seal. Finally, test the connection by running water through the pipe. If there are any leaks, you may need to add more tape and tighten the fitting a bit more. So the next time you encounter a stubborn leak, remember the importance of PTFE thread seal tape. Clean the threads, apply the tape in the direction of the threads, make sure to overlap by half its width, cover all threads, cut the tape, secure it, and test the connection. It's a simple yet powerful tool in solving common plumbing issues. Remember, every good plumber knows that the devil is in the details, and using PTFE tape correctly can make all the difference between a job well done and a pesky leak that keeps coming back.